Alright, we are back, and let's see how we did on these two problems to check and see if you know what you're doing at this point. So on this one right here, this is the division bar I need to get rid of. It's that 8. So I need to multiply everything by 8. So to do that, times 8 here would be 64. And if I go ahead and multiply this by 8, which I'm going to have to, it's going to be 40b over 8. Multiply this by 8. I'm just going to do this in the calculator. 127 times 8. 1016. Well, that's a pretty big number for one of these. 1016. And then if I multiply this by 8, I'm going to get 32b. So now I will just divide this out quickly here. And if I do 40 divided by 8, that's just going to be 5. So I'm just going to change that to 5b. Okay. Let's get everything off to one side here. I'll put all the numbers. That's plus 64. I'll put this over here. I will do plus 1016 plus 1016, and that's going to be 1080. I think so. 1080 plus 5b equals 32b. This has to get to the other side. I'm going to kind of sneak into this problem here, but that's alright. Minus 5b minus 5b. That's going to get us 32 minus 5 is 27. So I'm going to write it up here. 27b equals 1080. Now we just have to do that final division problem, dividing by 27. And 1080 divided by 27 equals 40. So in this case, b is 40. Alright, down at the bottom, this one was the one that's going to take a little bit longer. I'm going to have to multiply everything by 5. So let's see here. So if I did this times 5, it would be 200 plus 40. So that'd be 240. Plus, I multiply this by 5. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15x. Equals, multiply this by 5. 15. And then here, everything has to be multiplied by 5. So it's like distributive property here. So this is going to be 5 times 2 would be 10x. 5 times 4 would be 20. Now I can go ahead and simplify. 10x divided by 5 is going to be 2x. So I'll write that down here, 2x. 20 divided by 5 is just going to be 4 plus 4. Okay. So now I just need to solve. I will combine like terms first. I'm going to put this 4 and this 15 together to make 19, just to kind of simplify it out. Plus 19. I will put my plus 19 on the other side by subtracting 19. So that would be 221 plus negative 15x equals 2x. I need to put my x's on this side, so I'm going to add 15 here and add 15 here, which is going to be 17x. Now I just have my final division step here. 221 divided by 17, 13. So x equals 13. Hopefully you're pretty successful on that go around. If not, just make sure you talk with me and we'll get things figured out.